आपको क्या लगता है कि रेडियो का फ्यूचर क्या है? क्योंकि ख़ास तौर पे लोग कहते हैं कि जी अब सोशल मीडिया का ज़माना है, टिकटॉक इन्फ्लुएंसर्स हैं, पर इवन इन सिटीज़ लाइक दुबई, वी सी के द आरजेज़ आर द रियल सेलिब्रिटीज़ देयर। विल दैट एवर बी द केस इन पाकिस्तान?
So there's two things in Pakistan. But there's two things to understand. Radio to date in the world, despite all the technologies in places like the US and places like China and Japan and Dubai, it hasn't gone anywhere. It's still there.
Yeah.
It's still an integral part of the communication system or ecosystem, let's say. So for anybody to assume that radio is going to die out, it's a little preemptive. It's like early. I think maybe in the next 20 years it may evolve, but for now it is here to stay. And to be honest, it is the only free medium for the population at large to access. So shutting it down, letting it die, restraining it, restricting it is unfair to the population. If you look in rural areas, that's your free communication that the government can use, that NGOs can use, that politicians can use, that educational, it's free. And you don't need to have an expensive technology to harness to be able to get access to that. You don't need a smartphone. You can get an old transistor and tune into all the FMs. You can get an old phone which had that capability and tune in. You can stick an antenna and you can actually listen. So that's the beauty of radio. And now you can listen to it from all over the world on the net also. The other technologies, they'll keep evolving. There'll be algorithms. They may limit you. They will not educate you. I mean, of course, there'll be podcasts and other such things which you can pick and choose, which is amazing. But radio, I feel, will live until there's an interest in music, until there's an interest in expression, until there's an interest in having somebody to talk to. A lot of our listeners who call us, they just want somebody to talk to. And वो हॉटलाइन होगी तो एक्सेसिबल होगा, मगर अगर आपको रेडियो पर एक होस्ट मिल रहा है जो आपसे बातें करने के लिए आपके रिस्पॉन्ड कर रहा है, तो आप क्यों नहीं करेंगे? AI कांट नेसेसरली गिव यू दैट एट दिस पॉइंट, मे बी आगे जाकर, बट फॉर नाउ अगर आपके पास एक लाइव ह्यूमन है, देयर इज नथिंग दैट कैन कंपेयर टू दैट.